In this video, I'm going to prove that multitasking isn't real. It's just an illusion of the mind. And you can try this yourself, by the way. You will need a pen, 2 pieces of paper, or one if you write on both sides, and a stopwatch. And so I don't know where this experiment or method comes from, but what you're going to do is 2 things. You're going to write down the alphabet like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the second version, you do it a bit differently. You write A1, B2, C3, D4. And then you measure the times and compare them. The idea is that the second will take a lot longer because you have to switch between 2 tasks. And so let's give it a try. So I'm now done with the first try where I wrote the alphabet and then the numbers, and it took 46 seconds. Now let's try it again with doing the pairs, with doing one pair after the other. And now I'm also done with the second version where I wrote A1, B2, C3 and so on, and it took 1 minute and 24 seconds. So as you can see, both tries are indistinguishable, meaning the result is the same, but 1 minute 24 is basically double the time of 46 seconds. And now you say, well, but in reality I can multitask. But the thing is, that's an illusion as well, because it's true that the tasks you do in life don't have this quick switching that you have here where you switch every 2 seconds. But the tasks in life are also a lot more complex, meaning if you write an email and program and check emails all at the same time, you're going to switch every 30 seconds, but the fact that the tasks you're doing are more complex annihilates the benefit that it takes longer to switch. And so it's the exact same thing in life. And now, what do we do with this knowledge? Well, I have a very practical rule that I can tell you. As you can see here, for instance, on the computer you have 4 things here in the bottom. My rule is that I never open more than 4 apps or 4 tabs at once. This is how I avoid multitasking. Because there are times where I open 20 different apps and waste 3 hours accomplishing exactly nothing, but still feeling exhausted. And so we need to cut out multitasking. We need to understand that it isn't real, it's an illusion. And especially if your goal is to get things done, we should not multitask. You can, of course, walk and talk, but walking and talking is distinct from, let's say, programming and checking emails, because it's not very intense to talk, and if it is very intense to talk, you will most likely walk a bit slower or a bit faster or in another rhythm than you would if you were to just walk, So it still changes. And so, my name is Grill, and my goal is to inspire 10,000 good decisions. The purpose of this video is very clear. It's to eliminate multitasking from your mind. And I hope that I did a good job doing so. You can try this experiment yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.